Inner guidance and intuition. Finding out what you actually want and being clear about it is the first step. This necessitates reflection and a thorough knowledge of your own beliefs and priorities. Following the discovery of your genuine desires, you may start to develop a mindset that is in line with them. Using daily affirmations is one approach to achieve this. Positive sentences that you repeat to yourself every day are called affirmations. They aid in subconscious mind reprogramming and help you turn your attention to the good aspects of your life. You can use affirmations to support your beliefs and keep your attention on your objectives. Having a distinct and detailed image of what you want to materialize is the first step in giving in to having your wish come true. In order to do this, you must take the time to consider your most profound goals, ideals, and convictions, as well as the roadblocks and limiting assumptions that might be standing in your way. You can start cultivating the mentality and behaviors required to embody your desired manifestation after you have a clear idea of what it is you want to attract. Developing a sense of thankfulness and appreciation for what you already have in your life is a crucial step in realizing your dreams. Focusing your attention and energy on the blessings and abundance that already exist in your life rather than on what you lack or seek will help you achieve this. You can align with the energy of abundance and draw more of what you want into your life by making this mental change. The development of a state of detachment and non-attachment to the result is another crucial component of submitting to the wish realized. This is letting go of any attachment to certain outcomes or results and placing your faith in the universe to grant you the ideal manifestation of your objectives at the ideal time in the ideal manner, instead of attempting to influence or control the outcome by your own willpower. This necessitates letting go of your ego and placing your faith in the divine purpose for your life. The practice of mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool for developing this sense of detachment. This entails teaching your mind to be fully present in the now, without connection to past or future thoughts, feelings, or sensations. You can achieve a deeper level of inner tranquility, discernment, and wisdom via this practice, which can aid you in overcoming difficulties and overcoming hurdles in your path to manifestation. You can create the mentality and behaviors required to live out your aspirations using a variety of tools and approaches in addition to mindfulness meditation. They could include journaling, working with coaches or spiritual instructors, visualization, energy healing, and positive affirmations. But it's crucial to keep in mind that these techniques are merely assistants and that the main work of manifestation necessitates faith, tenacity, and a desire to take initiative in order to achieve your objectives. In the end, believing in the ability of the universe to provide you whatever you need to manifest your wants is the secret of giving to the wish realized. In order to do this, you must develop a strong sense of confidence and trust in God's plan for your life, as well as let go of your ego and attachments to particular results or outcomes. You can access the unlimited wealth and wisdom of the universe through this process of surrender and embodiment, and effortlessly and gracefully bring your greatest aspirations to pass. As humans, we have innate and instinctual reactions that we call instincts. Our instincts, gut sensations, and inner voices are what direct our decisions and courses of action. Our innate instincts, often known as instincts, are crucial for ensuring our survival and well-being in the world. Instincts alone, though, do not guarantee success in life. To accomplish our goals, we may need to act against our natural tendencies and test out novel strategies. To do this, we must have the courage to push outside our comfort zones, face our fears and limiting beliefs, and try new things. Gaining the courage to experiment with novel methods and concepts can be a difficult and unsettling task. It demands that we confront our worries and uncertainties and work through the discomfort that comes with venturing outside of our comfort zones. Although it can be alluring to continue with what is comfortable and familiar, doing so can stunt our development and potential. We need to be interested and open-minded as we experiment with new methods and concepts. We must be open to investigating novel options and taking into account other viewpoints. This may be challenging, particularly if we have deeply held convictions and viewpoints. But we can start to understand ourselves and our wants better if we are open-minded and inquiring. We can achieve better clarity and purpose in our lives by experimenting with new methods and concepts. It can us in defining our true desires and ensuring that our activities are consistent with our principles and objectives. This may be tremendously empowering and give us a sense of purpose and concentration that we may not have previously experienced. It's crucial to remember that the process of attempting novel strategies and notions must be in line with our current situation. It shouldn't make us feel overly stressed or anxious and should feel easy and natural. It might not be the best strategy for us if we feel like we are forcing ourselves to try something new, or if we feel like we are going against our inclinations. Imagine how it would feel if we had already achieved our goal. This is one technique to determine whether a novel strategy or idea is appropriate for us. The secret to effective prayer is to adopt the mindset that will emerge if our goal had already been achieved. Our subconscious mind will start to work towards our wish's realization once we completely accept it as a reality. The secret to effective prayer is to give in to the want and fully experience the fulfillment of it. Although this theory may appear strange or ethereal, it is based on the conviction that consciousness is the sole genuine reality, and that concepts and feelings are just as real as physical things. Disciplined people only entertain sentiments that make them happy and attract happy circumstances because they understand that unpleasant feelings can control consciousness and produce negative circumstances in life. In this view, prayer is not about making a wish come true. Rather, it is about assuming the sensation of already possessing and being what is wanted. When the senses reveal that the wish is not present, making a deliberate attempt to reject this suggestion is ineffective and often only serves to reinforce it. Because the dominating sensation always expresses itself, prayer must be effortless in its attempts to establish a mental attitude that is rejected by the senses. It is vital to fall into a passive mental state in order to give in to the wish as though it has already been fulfilled. This can be accomplished by engaging in a type of reflective or reverie during meditation, which is comparable to the sensation one has right before sleeping. The mind is turned away from the outside world when in this relaxed condition, making it easier to perceive the truth of a subjective state. One need only unwind in a cozy chair or lie down on a bed, close their eyes, and visualize themselves getting drowsier to achieve this passive state. It is possible to transform the feeling of tiredness into an all-pervasive sense of calm and relaxation by letting oneself to experience and appreciate it. One doesn't require assistance to obtain anything in this stage because they already have everything they could ever want or need. Then, by visualizing and experiencing one's wish coming true, one can bring their desires into life. Accepting the end results in utter indifference to any potential failure because doing so wills the means to that end. One feels as though they have been shown the happy and satisfying conclusion of a play after leaving a prayer session, but they are not shown how a conclusion was reached. Having seen the conclusion, they stay composed and confident in the knowledge that it has been precisely delineated, regardless of any unsatisfying scenes. Fundamentally, prayer is about accepting that consciousness is the only real reality and that pleasant emotions can draw favorable circumstances into one's life. It is also about embracing the sense of already having and being what is sought. One can bring their wants into life and be peaceful and safe in the knowing that the end has been precisely defined by giving in to the wish in a passive frame of mind. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope it was both interesting and enjoyable for you. If so, kindly click like and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. To ensure that you never miss a video, don't forget to press the notification bell. Please feel free to post any questions or comments in the section below. I always like hearing from you, and I'll try to get back to everyone.